SB19, another headline sa isang US-based franchise magazine na kung saan binandera ang album ng SB19 na wakas at simula ang Rolling Stone Philippines. Headline titles, SB19 wakas at simula, rank track by track, 6 songs ng SB19. A mix of pop, trap, and electronic textures reveals which tracks push the P-pop album forward most effectively. Ang Wakas at Simula new album ay isang long-awaited follow-up album sa nakaraang Simula at Wakas last year. At talaga namang may istorya ang album ng SB19. Blessed na blessed ang ating mahalima dahil after nito, mayroon silang Lollapalooza. Ang new album na to na Wakas at Simula ng The King of P-pop ay i-launch sa kanilang homecoming concert o finale concert this coming April 18 sa SMDC Ground sa Paranaque. Super excited talaga ang mga fans. Ang maganda sa Rolling Stone na article na to ay talagang pinaliwanag nila ang 6 na kanta na included sa Wakas at Simula. Kaya naman, thank you so much sa suporta, Rolling Stone Philippines.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once, I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun, shooters gonna shoot and I'm
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.